Wednesday, May 15, 2013. Forever etched in the minds of two families and members of the small Mount Hermon community in Riversdale, St. Catherine. It was a day of sadness, yet joy, because in the midst of danger, a brave hero emerged. Her name is Tony Ann Casey Miller, and she is a 2014 recipient of the Badge of Honor for Gallantry.
Neighbors come, drive, they couldn't do nothing, no rescue, nothing at all. When the fire truck come, everything already going in flame.
But not before Tony Ann, who was just 10 years old at the time, proved herself gallant beyond her years.
One evening when I was coming from school, and then I saw the fire, and then I went inside and I saw the bigger brother at the door, and then I asked him for his smaller brother, and he said he is inside sleeping. When I went inside, half of the bed was burning and he was on, and I took him up and ran outside. And then I called his father.
Incredibly, young Tony Ann says she felt no fear saving the two boys, Shelton and Sheldon Bailey, who were 5 and 6 years old respectively. She credits her fearlessness to her role model.
Because I saw my father doing that already.
Family members, other residents, and then school community at Mount Hermon Primary were understandably astonished the youngster would think to act on the lesson learned from her father.
They just keep on asking me if it's me or anything. Asking me how I do it.
Well, I was feeling so amazing. And then I sit back and look and say to myself, but if it was me, I would never go in that fire. So I thank the Lord for giving Tony Ann that strength so that she could go inside there and save those two kids.
When we heard that Tony Ann did such a thing, right, she was very brave. You know, when she came the day after, everybody, you know, although we were frightened and sorry for what had happened, we were very elated.
The man behind the process of enabling Tony's public acclaim is someone who knows very well the dangers that fire posed to Tony Ann.
When we had a community meeting at a community center, and I heard about this thing, and they were there talking about the fire department were that active to recognize her. So right there and then I realized that the fire department were not even aware of the incident because they just came and put out the fire, and nobody mentioned this incident to the fire department. So I took it up right there and I reported to the fire department, and we organized a service where we would recognize Tony Ann. We held that at the Riversdale Pentecostal Church, where fire personnel and other community personnel were there, and we present her with a trophy. And I went to the school and speak with the teacher and the student, and commend her for her bravery. And I recommend, that to the fire prevention department so that they could recognize her for a national, award.
So how does she feel about getting this national award?
I feel nice.
And should there be any questions as to what this courageous little lady wants to do with her life in the future?
I would like to become a firefighter.
And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth that a hero